Well friends, here is problem number 70. Yes, before moving to the problem, I will read the direction. In the questions given, there are figures or words to the top or left of the mirror indicated by lines, and their mirror images are given in one of the four figures or words. Find the exact mirror image of each figure or word. So here they have given a word and we have to find the mirror image of this word. And they also given four options which we have to select one of the correct from the four given alternatives. Okay, coming to the given question, they given the word as M U R T H Y. So this is the given word and mirror is placed at the bottom. When the mirror is placed at the bottom, you can also say this type of questions as water images, finding water images. Okay, here whenever the mirror is placed at the bottom, the top becomes bottom and this bottom becomes top. Top becomes bottom in the mirror image and the bottom becomes top in the mirror image. So this is the given word and I can call this as top portion. Okay, I can call this as top portion and this portion as bottom portion. As I said, the mirror image of this word will appear as the top portion will be becoming bottom portion and the bottom portion will be becoming as the top portion. So this is a very important point. Using this point, I can eliminate some of the options and finally come to correct option. Now, coming to first option, in the first option, you can see that the given word, that is M U R T H Y. If you see the M, the mirror image for this M will appear like this. Okay, this is correct. Now mirror image of U appears like this. This is correct. M and U are correct. Now moving to R. If you see this R, the mirror image of R, yes, it is wrong. The mirror image of R will appear like this. The mirror image of this R will appear like this. Okay, this is the mirror image of R. But if you see in the first option, it is not looking like this. Okay, that's why this option is the wrong option. This option is the wrong option. Now, moving to second option. In the second option, M is, yes, M is exactly matching. That is the mirror image. U is also correct. U is also correct. Now, here R is also correct. T is also correct. And H is, if you make the top as bottom, bottom as top, it remains the same. Okay, H is also correct. Now Y, the top is becoming bottom and the bottom is becoming top in the mirror image. So this is the correct option. Okay, this is the correct option. Even you can cross check with the remaining options. You can eliminate those. As I said, the second option is the right option. In the examination, if you are with less time, okay, then you can directly take it as the right option. If you are having some time, you can cross check with the remaining options. If you see the third option carefully, the letter M should start from here. Okay, but M is starting from here. The whole word is changed its direction. Okay, that's why this option is wrong. M is starting here means M should start from here. In the mirror image also, it should start with M. Okay, the starting portion remains the starting portion and the ending portion remains the ending portion when the mirror is placed at the bottom. Okay, only changes will, top will become bottom and bottom will become top. Okay, keeping this point in mind, we eliminated the first option and we observed the second option, and second option was the correct. Now we eliminated this option, third option, because it should start with M but it is starting with Y. So this is wrong. Now fourth option. If you see carefully, fourth option, the letter T is not at all changed. Okay, T is not at all changed. So this is wrong. Now you left with only second option. So that is the right option. So if you are having less time in your examination, directly take this option and go to next question. If you are having some time, then go to cross-checking with the remaining options, and finally you get correct option. Okay friends, now I will move to yes, problem number 71.